Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the formula EDATE. EDATE calculates the duration of the date, end date. So here we have a start date of some projects and we have the duration. So we need to find the end of the date duration. So the formula is EDATE, open the bracket, start date. So this is our start date. The project started here and months. So 3 months project. So we close the bracket and enter. So it should end on 6th April. Okay. So we'll just try to copy this. So here is the start date and this takes 4 months. So end date will be this one. The formula is equals to EDATE, open the bracket, start date and the duration in months. Now we can go back date also. For example, here we have these projects which got ended on this and which took 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, whatever. So we need to find the start of the date. So here we have in negative because this is in reverse. We have the end date, we need to find the start date. So I just put E equals to E date, open the bracket, start date is. Our end date will put as start date at month in negative, so -3 and close. So this project started in 6 October 22. So this is very simple formula to find the end date. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.